Hi, my name is Derek Eaton, principal of the Achieve Virtual Education Academy, and we'd like to welcome you to Achieve Virtual. One of the first questions we get from prospective students is, how does the online software work? In this video, we're going to walk you through a sample course and show you how to use our software. So let's jump in.
I am Michelle Eaton, Director of Virtual and Blended Learning for Achieve Virtual Education Academy. I'd like to walk you through a typical Achieve Virtual course and show you how you can access your instruction and assessments. This is what a typical class looks like. If I want to get to my lessons and my learning materials, I'm going to come up here to Plans. When I click on Plans, I can see all of the units that are available to me. Let me walk you through a couple of these units that will give you an idea of what it's like to be a student at Achieve. You can always expect some form of direct instruction for each of your lessons. Often, this comes in the form of videos created by our teachers or curated by instructors. Often, this also involves some interactive content that is very specific to Achieve Virtual. You also will be given plenty of opportunities to practice new concepts and skills. Sometimes this might be a research project that you work through with a group or with your teacher. A lot of our teachers, like our algebra teacher here, like to give you the opportunity to play games to practice new skills. And you'll see a lot of interactive labs through our science classes. When you are ready to demonstrate mastery, there are lots of engaging and relevant assessments that you can participate in our courses. Here are just a few examples of assessments you might find in our courses. This Build Your Own Dragon activity for a biology class is definitely a student favorite. Also, not all of your assignments are going to be you sitting at a computer typing. We encourage our students to record themselves. So in this speech class, you'd be asked to actually give a speech and prepare it for your peers. Finally, as you can tell, being a student at Achieve Virtual is not an isolating experience. We think it's very important that you have an opportunity to collaborate with other students. Built throughout our courses, you have a chance to participate in discussions with your classmates and with your teacher and work on group projects. As you progress through your course, you can also easily see your progress by coming up to the Follow-up and Reports tab. Here you can view your gradebook and keep track of your grades as you progress through the class. Additionally, you have features like this personal report, where you can come in and see exactly what you have read and completed and the dates that you've completed those assignments. This is a handy tool for students who want to keep track of where they are in a class, especially when they're taking multiple. Hopefully this walkthrough has helped you understand how to navigate a course. Of course, you are also welcome to reach out to us at any time should you need any assistance.
Thank you for watching our video demonstration. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us through our website at achievevirtual.org or call us directly at 317-988-7144. Thank you.